I didn't do this stuff. This is not me, y'all. I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this. I gave y'all 30 years of my career.
Robert.
30 years of my career. Y'all trying to kill me.
Has anybody ever looked at their man and thought, damn,
You know.
I could have done so much better.
Fucking play with me.
What the fuck? Shit! Damn! That shit tastes like sandpaper. I need some gasoline, Nick.
I will not be a motherfucking slave for nobody in 2020. Bitch.
You want a hot Cheeto?
This bitch left her purse on the ground to go take pictures of geese. Oh shit! Oh.
Like, it's different. Guys and girls are so different.
Father, can you hear me?
That's not even the worst part. Watch this. It's ridiculous.
You look like you're like super excited, like your hair is excited with you.
Hi, what's your name? It's Jackson. Nice to meet you, Jackson. I do not know this person's name anymore. Poof, gone. I have zero recollection of this person.
Now I know. Come here, you see put my goddamn rent money back, stunning and shit.
Oh no, I think my family's gonna kill me for this shit. Fuck.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
It's a bit wet out there.
Look at that.
Yo, good afternoon, gang.
Sir, it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, my fault. It's the morning time, as you should be. Yo, it's your Captain C Bands talking to y'all right now. You already know the vibes. Look, I'm about to give y'all some flight information. So if you got headphones, take them shits off, because I do not play disrespect. Alright, first things first, I need everybody to put their phone on airplane mode right now, because if you don't, we're going to have to get it. That's word of my mother, because you putting my life in risk. Secondly, if you have children, do not let them scream or cry on this flight. Nobody want to hear that. I fight kids respectfully. Alright, next, randomly throughout this flight, you will hear me say woo. If you do not woo back, I'm going to put this plane on cruise control and slap fire out you. Yo, one more thing. This goes to all the fellas. Do not talk to the flight attendant named Keisha. She got the blonde hair and she got the wagon. She's wild, daring. She said she was going to link me last week and she baited. Other than that, have a safe.
So, like, what's your shirt made of? Dog, what in the fuck? What is her shirt made of, my nigga? Get used to that, bro. Man, why is it locked? Man.
Hey, bro, can you turn on the shower, please?
Oh shit, I got you, fam. Hold on. On my way. Handprint approved.
Access granted.
There you go, bro. You're off center. Bro, how did you... Never mind.
Okay, now repeat that. Get out. Get out.
I like your cut, G.
Hey, you motherfucker!
Y'all, she trying to open the door.
What can I get for you?
You know what I'm here for, man.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Let's see how people react to my makeup in public.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, go! Excuse me. Excuse me. Grenade! What? Man, why y'all throwing rocks?
What? Oh, hell no. Tiny, handle that.